Hi everybody and welcome to 5 Minutes Yoga from the Inside. It's nice to have you back here again practicing with me as we're going to have a closer look on how to keep the integrity of your body when it comes to poses. And today's pose is going to be Hanumanasana, the monkey pose. And what you need for today's practice, 2 blocks and a blanket, your mat, good intentions as always, and then I would say let's step on our mat and let's practice. So we start by moving into Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. And then shift the weight to the left hand, right foot, and bring the left foot forward. And make sure that you're pretty much on the front of your mat. Place the right knee down. Adjust. Inhale into the rib cage, into your chest. And exhale. And whenever you exhale, feel how the ribs are softened and you engage your core muscles, your belly muscles. Belly goes back, keep it back. When you inhale, again into your chest. You come up and you take one block and the other one. Place them next to you. Take your blanket, place the blanket in front of you, in front of your mat, and then adjust again, shift a bit back, feel that you're more leaning back, shift to the front, don't lose your belly, shift back again, and when you are back, go to the front again, place your front foot on the blanket, and then see how much you can slide on your front foot forward and your back foot backward. So you want to keep the center in the center. And here, no yoga pose is static. You always have to adjust. So the blocks here help me to keep my upper body tall up. And then you just go wherever gravity pulls you to. And maybe you want to stay here. Maybe you can even place the blocks a step lower. So feel how much you can go down and it still feels comfortable for you. So don't do too much and feel the upper part of your body light. And your center is still very active. So Hanumanasana, monkey pose, is the splitting of the legs. So it is again just the legs splitting and nothing else involved. So see if you can remember that and don't move too much in the pose. You can even take a block and place it under the legs, or one leg below one leg and the other leg under the other leg, so that you feel more stable in the pose. If that is possible for you, but you're still going down. So the feeling that you have is you go down, you relax. And out of the pose, you lean a bit forward, take the blocks out, and sit on the side and bring the other leg forward and relax. And and then you go over to the next side. You start from Adho Mukha again, downward facing dog. So you move again into the pose. Relax here for a moment. And then feel the weight on the right hand, left foot. And bring the right foot forward. And left knee down. So I hope that this little insight of mine brought you something to move forward on your own yoga journey. And please leave your comment below. I would really like to know, how much did you long to keep the integrity of your body, or how much your ego wanted to achieve the final pose? If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be back again and I hope you do the same. Until then, take care, stay safe, and bye for now.